How can I find out more about estate and long-term care planning?
At Geisler Patterson Law, we have many options for you to get education. Of course, there are numerous postings on the webpage at elderlawmom.com where I've written articles for people to read. And then I offer every month except for November and December, I have a monthly lunch and learn. It's designed primarily for people who work with the elderly and disabled to have an opportunity to come in, and I have a topic each month, but the reality is it's a place where people can come and ask an attorney questions without feeling intimidated or embarrassed about not understanding a legal issue. But I do invite anybody who wants to come to those meetings, and it's a lunch education meeting that I provide at my office. And then I have formal workshops that I do every month, and those are advertised and put up on my website, and those change based on the calendar and the holidays and the availability, and some of them are at my office and some are at other locations, so you have to look for upcoming workshops on my website to see when the next one is available. And that's a full education on long-term estate planning and long-term care planning, and goes through just like these videos, the things you need to know about estate planning and long-term care, and is designed to provide you with an education. And then of course you can always call and come in for a consultation, and we can come in, either you can come in and bring in your trust and we can do an estate planning audit to see if your trust needs to be changed. I have a new trust, or actually not new trust, old trust, wrong trust, or just need to be revised trust, because if you've changed or the law's changed or your family's changed, you might need a revision. So we have an audit that you can come in for, or just for a consultation. And my consultations are, the first hour is half my hourly fee if you don't retain me, and if you retain me, I'll be able to set you up for a meeting where we can go through a design meeting and decide what your fee for your trust is going to be, and then quote you the fee. So the consultations, if you're not going to retain me, run $200 for the first hour, and then after that, actually it's the first hour and a half, and then after that it's $400 an hour. So you can spend as much time as you want at an hourly rate, but most people opt for the flat fee for the estate planning services that I do. Any court actions are always billed hourly because that's what the court requires.